Other than being certified superstars, Harry Styles, Taylor Swift and Ed Sheeran have something else in common. Aussie baker Gabriela Oporto has made cakes for them all.
After starting a business in her Sydney kitchen, Bakealicious has now become a fully fledged bakery and the go-to snack for countless celebrities. So when Taylor's team reached out last week, Gabriela swiftly sprung into action to create the perfect personalised cake. And we welcome the sweet star herself, owner of Bakealicious by Gabriela.
Hello.
Gabriela Oporto.
Hey,
So nice to meet you. Thank you for having me.
No relation to the Oportos.
Not related,
No chicken cakes
No
here?
chicken.
Just cakes.
You must have been so excited to get the call from, I guess it was Taylor's team. How did that happen?
It was just a call on a Tuesday. I was freaking out. I started jumping and shouting at the shop, and my staff were like, "Oh, what's happening?" So I told them, and everyone was so excited. Yeah.
So what did they ask for? What did they want?
So they wanted a range of things. They weren't too fussed about the flavours, but they did say they wanted dietary requirements like vegan, gluten-free and some regular cakes.
Yeah, OK. Now, you're going to show us how to make a special cake. The one you made for Tay Tay.
So this is a special creation for Taylor Swift.
What goes into it? How do you do it?
So it's basically, I researched a bit about her. Her favourite colour's purple. That's why there's a beautiful purple flower. She likes the cake from Milk Bar store, which has confetti in it. So I've used that. And then I've incorporated Dulce Leche, which is traditional South American caramel, because my heritage is from Chile.
Right.
Yeah,
That's
so it's
beautiful
a combination.
Yeah.
And
So
I've
what
made
did you
these
do?
puff pastry horns, and they get filled with Swiss meringue buttercream. That has Dulce Leche as well.
Oh.
And then you see, they
That'll
go
do
like
it.
that. Yeah.
That's it. That's all we need.
Yeah.
Yum.
There seems to be lots of elements to this. Usually we say we'll pop the recipe on our website. I don't think we're probably going to do it for this one because this looks like so much effort goes into it.
Yes.
How many hours does it take to create something
Takes
like
about 1 to 2 hours from start to finish.
OK.
Yeah.
Were you
That's good.
Sorry, were you nervous when you're making it? You go, oh, this is Taylor Swift.
Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah, I want it to be perfect. I wanted her to really like it, to remember it forever.
Yeah. Did you get
Good.
feedback? Did you hear back?
No, I haven't heard anything yet.
We've heard that she loved it.
Thank you.
OK, so we can continue going with that. The flour, of course, non-edible, I'm assuming.
Non-edible, that's
non-edible,
right. Yes,
OK.
yes,
that's
right.
It's quite the word.
And then we put a bit of edible glitter, because Taylor loves glitter.
So what's going to happen now? People are going to call you and say, I want the Taylor Swift cake. Is that a thing?
That's correct. Yeah, we've already sold 15 in 2 days.
Yeah, wow.
Really? Wow. And tell me, how carefully did it sit in your car on the trip out to Olympic
Well,
Park?
I was driving very carefully, and then I had this idea of doing that video because I just was so excited. I need to share it with somebody.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was driving very carefully. Yes.
Talk us through some of these other amazing creations. They all look spectacular. Talk us through this.
Thank you very much. That's our bestseller, the Victoria sponge cake.
Oh.
So it's a traditional jam and cream with berries on top.
It looks amazing.
Yeah.
And then the chocolate one's quite cute.
Yeah, so that's the one we made for Harry Styles, and that one has Dulce Leche, this same caramel.
The same caramel. And I love
Chocolate sponge.
And I love the Kit Kat on top. That's a bit of an Aussie.
yeah,
That's a bit of an Aussie nod.
How many did you have to make for Taylor's crew? Like when you do it?
Oh, we made a lot.
Like heaps and heaps.
Heaps, yeah. We do slabs, we do cupcakes. I sent some Lemingtons, Australian Lemingtons.
Nice, nice.
And then the ones at the front, thhere they're just little
So
cupcakes?
they're vegan cupcakes, and we have a mix of different flavours: Biscoff, coffee, Black Forest, Pina Colada.
I want to taste something, but I don't know what to taste. What should I taste?
Look at the Biscoff one. Looks
Oh, you
great.
have to
Do you like
taste-
Biscoff?
Do we have a cutting machine thing?
Otherwise known as a
No.
knife.
Knife.
And then the ones over here, just as we keep...
So that's a Dulce Leche cheesecake as well, and this is a gluten-free lemon meringue pie.
Yum.
And we have some Biscoff cupcakes. These are regular ones. Yeah.
Is it great?
You are going to get so many orders now. So many orders.
Well, congratulations. So exciting.
No, thank you so much for
you
having
probably
me.
thought you couldn't top it when you did Harry Styles' cake. And
No,
then
that's
Taylor
right. I
Swift
know this. Yeah.
Now, I said the recipe won't be on their website. I lied. You can find the full recipe over on our website, apparently. And for more delicious cakes, Gabriela's Instagram handle is Bakealicious _by_Gabriela. Bakealicious _Gabriela.
This is left over from the last face segment. Back after this.